Hey guys, it's Mark. Welcome back to the channel where it's all about racing. Today we're going to take a look at this TSM 143 scale 2024 Cadillac V-Series R, the number 01 car. This car was competed in the 2024 12 Hours of Sebring with this unique Mobil 1 livery that we'll talk about a little bit in this video. Now guys, another car that I got from this particular race was the 2024 Pratt Miller Corvette Z06. You might remember this model right there in that poster that I showed you in my previous video. Notice the gold Mobil 1 special livery on that, and that was basically replicated in the Cadillac car. Now, as I mentioned, this is a 143 scale TSM model. You can see from the box. Comes with the IMSA product labeling, I guess you could say, as they seem to be. The TSM is the exclusive provider for IMSA cars, 143 scale. Comes in these absolutely beautiful, what I call these showroom boxes. Oversized, jewel cover. Very, very nice representation as you would expect from TSM. Now, the Cadillac V-Series was designated by General Motors to represent Cadillac's elegance and performance in the top-level performance cars that they produced. The earliest use of the V-Series was made in its debut in the 2011 Pirelli World Challenge, where Cadillac made its return after a 4-year absence. The DPI VR, you saw a number of those cars that I have presented in the past, debuted in 2017 to compete in the IMSA WeatherTech Sports Car Championship. Now, the V-Series succeeded the DPI VR in 2023 and was built under the new LMDH regulations using a Dallara chassis. The 01 Cadillac V-Series VR featured a unique one-time livery of gold and black. Remember, we talked about that, and you're going to see that right here, to celebrate Mobil's 50-year relationship with GM in the 2024 12 Hours of Sebring. Now, the drivers of this star-studded car were Regan van der Zand, Dutch FIA Platinum, 2016 IMSA champion, Sebastian Bourdais, French FIA Platinum. Did you know this? One of the most successful American open-wheel aces, winning 37 races and 4 Champ Series championships, only to be topped by the third driver of this line, Scott Dixon, New Zealand FI Platinum, 6-time Indy Series champion with 58 total wins, and 3-time winner of the 24 Hours of Daytona. Now, folks, this is a spectacular representation done by the folks at TSM. I mean, everything is just so nicely done. It's supposed to be a gold livery. It looks almost like mustard. It's not really quite gold, but it is different from the regular yellow. You can see the IMSA labeling on the splitter, and take a look at the. I guess that you could call those dive planes attached to the splitter. Really kind of unique. Let me see if I can zoom in on that so you can see that. There you go. Almost like the Ferraris, similar. Now, of course, Cadillac signature headlamps you've got on there. The 01, you can see the tow hook there right below. And remember, I told you in the IMSA WeatherTech series, all prototypes have black number panels, as this car does, black windshield banners, and black on the rear fins. That is to help designate them from the other cars. Not that it's really hard to see. They are totally different. Really cool look at the Michelin tires there with the absolutely gorgeous brake rotors, calipers. Nicely done there. Again, we talk about that 01 WeatherTech black windshield banner. There's a cool look in the cockpit. You're not going to see a whole lot there. Notice you have what they call the leader light there that lights up, tells what place it's running while it's racing. And there's a look at the rear tire and that really cool Cadillac fin. This is a spectacular looking model, just really nicely done. Now here's a cool look at it from the driver's side. Now you look in the cockpit, you can see the names of the drivers on top of it. The aerials, television cameras, fuel filler input, air jack input. And I think a spectacular looking livery. I really like the Cadillac livery, regardless of color. I think this mustard gold color is really neat. And guys, here's what I call the money shot, the rear of the car. Notice something really unique, and excuse my little cold there if you heard me sniffling. Check out that piping. Yes, look at this. It's piping. It's really, really unique. In fact, I've never noticed it on any other car. I don't think I even noticed it when I saw it at races. But it's absolutely spectacular looking. Now we'll take a look at the rear wing down. The exhaust pipes coming out, you know, kind of almost Formula One style, just two of them. And of course, you've got the brake lights, the rear tow hook, diffuser. What a gorgeous freaking car! Absolutely amazing. And guys, here's a look at the car from the top on down. If you had a drone or something like that and you were filming it. Beautiful lines, really just amazing looking car. And look at the rear, at the fin, the wheels, just amazing.